Hey there, I'm Alex, and today we're diving into one of MailerLite's most powerful features for organizing your subscribers: groups. Think of groups as your way to sort subscribers based on their interests, behaviors, where they came from. Instead of sending the same email to everyone, you can target specific audiences with content that they actually care about. Figuratively, it's like having different friend groups for different activities. Like your hiking buddies will get trail updates, and then your book club is going to get literary recommendations. Let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about creating and managing groups.
So, what are groups? In the literal sense, groups are individual lists within your main subscriber base that help you organize contacts by their interest or characteristics. You might have a group for recipients for a particular survey, a group for anyone who purchased a product, or maybe a group for paid subscribers to a paid newsletter that you have. If you've used other email platforms, groups are similar to what might be called tags, lists, or audiences. And the cool thing about MailerLite is that subscribers can belong to multiple groups at once, but they're still only going to count as one subscriber toward your plan limit. To create a group, let's first navigate to the subscribers page from your MailerLite dashboard, and then we're going to click into the Groups tab. You'll see a Create Group button in the top right. Let's go ahead and click that. And then we're going to call this group Blog Subscribers. And that is kind of a common use case here. And then hit Create. And just like that, your group is ready to go. You'll see it appear in your groups list, and then it's now available as well for whenever you create forms, landing pages, or send campaigns. When you're creating a campaign, you'll be able to select the group when you are selecting recipients as you create your campaign. You could also exclude this or any other group by clicking the Exclude Group button to the right of the group. Now, there are several ways to get people into your groups. The most common way is when someone signs up through a form. You'll select which group they join during the form setup process. And to learn more about how to set up and use forms, you'll want to check out that video in the description. But what if you want to add existing subscribers to a group? Let's go ahead and do that now. Head back to the main subscribers page where you can see all your contacts. And let's say you want to add some subscribers to our newly created blog subscribers group. You can select the subscribers that you want to add, and you can select just a few, or if you want to add everyone, you can click this arrow drop down, and then you can either select visible, which will select all of these subscribers on the front page that you can see, or select all, which will select all of your subscribers. Once you've selected your subscribers, you'll click Actions, Add to Group, and then you can select the group, or if you happen to need to create a group, you can type in a group name and create a group on the spot. Once you're done, you'll get a confirmation at the top of the page.
Let's say someone signs up for your newsletter, but later also downloads a lead magnet. They'd be in both your newsletter group and your lead magnet group. And this is actually perfect because now you can send them newsletter content, but also follow up specifically about that lead magnet topic. To see which groups a subscriber belongs to, just click on their profile and then you'll see all the group memberships listed. You can also use filters to find subscribers who belong to specific combinations of groups. Just use the filter groups belongs to, and then select which groups you're interested in.
Sometimes you'll need to move someone from one group to another. Maybe they were in your prospects group but made a purchase, so now they should be in your customers group. To do this, you'd first select the subscriber or subscribers that need to be moved. Then click Actions and choose Add to Group. And then we're going to go ahead and add them to the customers group. Next, we're going to remove them from the prospects group. So, select them again, click Actions, and then select Remove from Group. And then we're going to remove them from the prospects group. Or in your case, whichever group that you want to remove them from, you'll remove them from that one. And then click Remove. And now they've been successfully moved from one group to another. As your list grows, you might need some more advanced group management. Let's quickly go over a couple of powerful features in MailerLite. First is splitting up groups. Maybe your newsletter subscribers group has grown a little bit too large, and you want to A B test different content approaches. Let's head over to the Groups tab, find your group, and then click the More button, and then select Split. You can divide that group into 2, 3, or more equally sized groups, which is perfect for testing. On the flip side of that, you might want to merge groups. So if you have two different groups, but decide that they should be getting the same content, you can select both groups and then click Merge here at the top. You want to give the new group a name and then hit Save. Keep in mind that if you delete the original groups, any automations using those groups will stop working. So you might want to be a little bit careful here, or perhaps you can go back and set up those automations again. Need to share your group data with other tools? Not a problem. From any group, click View Group, click Actions, and then select Export CSV. Pro tip here, you can click Toggle Columns, and then you can select which columns you want to export before you actually export the file. And that way, when you hit Export, it'll make sure that it includes those columns in your exported file. And then if you want to see how your groups are performing, you can check out the Stats tab on the subscribers page. There, you can analyze open rates, click rates, and engagement levels for each individual group. This data is gold for understanding which audiences are most engaged with your content.
Before we wrap up, here are some best practices that I've learned over the years. Keep your group names descriptive and consistent. So instead of saying Group 1, maybe use Webinar Attendees, Email Marketing 101. Your future self is going to thank you for this. And don't go overboard with groups initially. Start with like 3 to 5 main categories based on how people find you or their interests, and then expand as needed. Use groups strategically in your automations. With the when subscriber joins a group trigger, someone who joins your free course group could automatically receive a welcome series. Or if you have a VIP subscriber group, they might get exclusive offers that you don't share with others. Regularly clean up unused groups to keep things organized. If you haven't used a group in like 6 months, it might be time to consider whether or not you still need it. And that is how you use groups in MailerLite. They're incredibly powerful for creating targeted, relevant email experiences that your subscribers will actually want to open. And remember, the goal isn't to just organize your subscribers. It's to send them content that resonates. When someone gets an email that feels like it was written just for them, that's when the magic happens. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more MailerLite tutorials. And if you're not already using MailerLite, there is a link waiting for you in the description to get started with a free account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.